Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. Thank you so very much to start watching my video. Today my topic about myself and my mother. Firstly, I'm talking myself. My name is Alamin. I'm from Hollywood at Thakurgaon in Bangladesh. Actually, I'm a student at Fiber Outsourcing Institute. My future plan is I want to become a fluent speaker in English and a successful digital marketer. I think I'm a very industrious, active, friendly and positive person. Literally, I'm Islamic song lover. So, my favorite hobby is singing Islamic song. My favorite food is nuts. If I talk about my family, there are 5 members in our family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. If I talk about my mother is a very intelligent and a pious person. My mother's name is Arif Noor. She wants me to be a honest person. She is 50 years old. She teaches us at home. She is a great person, so I love my mother. That's all about myself and my mother. Thank you so very much to your patient hearing and watching. Assalamu alaikum.